Welcome to a professional electrician's guide on selecting the best inverter battery. We will cover reliability, performance, and brand excellence to help you make an informed decision. First, let's understand the core technology. We'll explore what happens inside the casing to ensure you grasp how these batteries deliver power efficiently. Key selection criteria include charge efficiency, especially for short power periods, the total cycle life before capacity drops, and robust warranty support with fast on-site replacement. Luminous is a market leader, known for its balanced performance. The Zelio and Inverter series are industry standards, featuring high compatibility, innovative water level indicators, and extensive service networks. Exide, the durability king, offers the Tubular series, the gold standard for heavy-duty applications. Its thick, tubular plates withstand deep discharges, ideal for industrial-grade home setups where longevity is key. Amaron excels in low maintenance with its Quanta series and VRLA technology. Benefits include zero maintenance options, low internal resistance, minimal gassing for safer indoor placement, and a sturdy outer casing. This technical comparison matrix outlines key features of top brands. Note the capacity ranges, warranty differences, water topping frequency, and cycle life for Luminous, Exide, and Amaron models. Comparing backup duration under a constant 400W load reveals that the Exide Tubular offers the longest backup time at 4.8 hours, followed closely by Luminous Zelio. Here are pro tips for electricians. Use specialized sprays to prevent terminal corrosion, ensure proper ventilation for heat dissipation, and always use high-purity distilled water for topping up. The durability goal is 1200 plus charge/discharge cycles. High-quality tubular batteries offer 5 to 7 years of service, providing a lower cost per year compared to flat-plate alternatives with fewer cycles. Looking to the future, tubular lead acid offers low-cost and proven technology, while lithium-ion provides maintenance-free operation, fast charging, and a superior cycle life, despite a higher initial cost.